Hello guys, we're back. Say we're back, Myra.
We're back.
Say we're back and say my Nana made the hat for me. Yes, so Myra was like, she wants the hat. So I'm like, well, if Myra wants this hat, Myra can have this hat. So we made it in a little bite size. See? Myra, say hello.
Hello.
Say, ask them, do they like your hat?
Yeah.
So I made it for Myra. So Myra wanted a hat. So we made it for her. I didn't have all of the stuff to finish it for me. And I wanted to be able to load the video today. So I just made it smaller. And it's for Myra now. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Say, look at the camera. Say thanks for watching the channel. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
They like it, Myra.